Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we're going to make everyone's favorite sticky wings. Actually we're going to make it tomorrow, but today we need to prep the wings for the recipe for tomorrow. So what we're going to do is put the wings in brine today. My mom's already cut the wings and cleaned them and burnt the hairs off, so the wings are ready. And then for the brine we're going to use 1 liter of water, a quarter cup of white vinegar, 4 level tablespoons of salt, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of whole dhania seeds, about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, a stick of cinnamon, and then a few bay leaves that we had. So it's quite easy. What we're going to do is just pour all of these ingredients into the container that we're going to use to brine, and then we'll just give it a little bit of a mix, and then set it in the fridge overnight so that it'll be ready for roasting tomorrow morning. So you need to give it at least about 24 hours before you're going to put it into the oven, and then tomorrow we'll just put in a dry rub and put it into the oven, and then we'll make the sticky sauce that goes with it. Hello guys, welcome back. So yesterday we brined the chicken wings. We've had it in the fridge for about 20 hours now. We took it out, we rinsed off the brine, and we're ready to actually marinate the chicken now. So let me tell you what we're going to need to marinate the chicken. We're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, then 1 teaspoon each of barbecue spice, smoked paprika, and then chicken spice, a handful of fresh thyme, and then a few cloves of garlic that you can take out from the brine itself, or you can use new cloves of garlic. So what we're going to do is just pour a dash of olive oil on the wings, and then add all our dry ingredients to the chicken. And then we're going to give them a good stir around or mix so that all the wings are coated with this dry rub. The smoked paprika that we got this time around is very brown, not red, so it makes the wings look a little bit more brown than usual, but you just have to check which paprika you get. Okay, so I've massaged the dry rub into the wings. What we're going to do now is just put it into the fridge for another 2 hours or so, and then let the dry rub get into the chicken a little bit, because it's about 10 o'clock now, and then we're going to put it into the oven at about 12 to roast, and then we'll make the sticky sauce that goes with it. Okay, so guys, we've had about 2 hours in the fridge with the chicken. I'm just going to pop it straight into the oven, which is preheated at 150 degrees for about half an hour. And then while that's going, I'm going to make the sticky sauce that goes with the chicken. We use a variety of sauces to make a mixture. So We're going to start with some sriracha, which is a hot sour sauce. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sriracha in, and then the sweetness comes from honey. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of honey for now, and then I'll taste it and I'll check if it's sweet enough. And then I'm using Mrs. Ball's chutney. Mrs. Ball's chutney is a South African peach sort of sauce, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that as well. So Mrs. Ball's is a sweet, spicy sauce, and then just for some body to the sauce, I'll use a tablespoon of tomato sauce, and then sort of a dash of lemon juice. It's not a tablespoon as such, just maybe like half a tablespoon, and then another dash of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to mix this up, and then after about half an hour, we're going to put this sauce into the chicken. I just want to taste if it's sweet enough and if I need to add additional honey. No, it's good. So yeah, that's your sauce for the chicken, and then after half an hour we're going to put it on the chicken and let it cook out. Okay guys, so it's been about 35 minutes in the oven with the wings, so they're partially done. I'm just going to put now the sticky sauce on all of them, and then let that cook out for another 35 to 40 minutes, and we'll give them a turn about halfway through that time, and then when they're ready we'll come back to you with the finished product. Okay, and I'm just going to pop it back into the oven now. Okay guys, we've had the wings in for 45 minutes now. We turned it once, so they're ready. There you go, the hot and sticky wings ready to be served. We didn't add too much hot sauce, so it's just the chicken spice and the barbecue and paprika that's in there that's making it spicy. If you want, in your sauce mixture you can add in some Nando's to your preference, so some Nando's sauce, a tablespoon, or however hot you prefer it to be. Okay guys, there you go, your hot sticky wings, more sticky than hot, served at any function as a tidbit to snack on before the main meal, or as finger food at any family gathering. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you with the next video.